and welcome to my look at ICM Brokers, a relatively new forex and CFD brokerage with offices in Vanuatu and New York City. That being said, they are not open for clients in the United States because they offer CFDs, obviously. They do offer execution and clearing services for retail and institutional traders alike. They have direct exchanges or direct links to exchanges and treasury departments of major banks to fulfill liquidity. They do offer a couple of different accounts. There's 4 in total. There's a micro and standard account with a leverage of 1 to 400, minimum deposit of 300. Prime account, minimum deposit of 300, leverage 1 to 200, lower fixed rates, or spreads, I should say, and a professional account, which is floating with leverage 1 to 100, but you need to put in $500,000, so that is going to be an institutional account. The initial deposits, like I said, are 300, 300, and $500,000. The spreads and conditions do change rather drastically. So, for example, let's go ahead and take a look at contract specifications. And for example, the euro dollar is a 2-pip spread. You can see that the account list here goes all the way down to, say, the Aussie Swiss, which is 7, CAD Yen, which is 5. Pretty typical spreads. Prime accounts, they do get a little bit better. And professional accounts, they have minimum spreads on micro pips. So interesting. The OTC futures markets, CFD markets, and the like, they all are offered here. Financial OTC futures such as the euro, pound, yen, Swiss franc, Canadian dollar, and Aussie dollar. Those are your contracts at the CME. Crude oil, nat gas, sugars, and then the index OTC markets and the Dow Jones and NASDAQ and the S&P. The payment methods that they allow are going to be PayPal, credit card, bank transfer, and NetTeller. You can withdraw all those with the exception of NetTeller. They do offer some extras, trading rules examples. So, for example, they can give you an idea of how to perhaps find yourself a trading plan. Pretty basic stuff, though. Some trade examples, like what it would look like to place a trade. The daily report is available for clients. It's not bad, but quite frankly, this is all stuff you can find on the internet. The biggest concern that I have with this brokerage is that they are licensed in Vanuatu, which isn't exactly the same as being licensed in the UK or the United States. So with that in mind, it is a bit concerning, but so far we've heard no complaints about this brokerage. It's just that in this world where there are so many of them out there, there are certainly going to be more flexible and probably more safer places to put your money.